It first saw the light of day 25 years ago. It's the best-selling Mercedes. This is the fourth generation C-Class, and its success does not seem to be waning because just after being introduced, 60,000 pre-ordered units have already been registered, and even more impressive, the price has not changed. Another strong point, Mercedes decided to create two cars in one. Depending on the finish, the radiator grille is different, either classic with an elegant touch or very sporty, like with the CL, and that's what we've opted for. We also went for the largest engine currently available, the 272 brake horsepower V6. In all, the C-Class will have 5 petrol and 3 diesel motors to choose from. The AMG version will arrive later down the road, and while waiting, there is the AMG Pack, which isn't much more than a window dressing with its purpose-built bumpers, lower bodywork, and wheels. You can also take advantage of this pack in the interior, which is just fine despite some of the materials chosen seem to be just a bit out of place. But the ergonomics are well thought out and there's plenty of room for passengers in the back. As soon as you hit the road, you can feel the progress Mercedes has made in terms of comfort. This generation of the C-Class is more rigorous compared to prior generations, but it isn't quite as dynamic as a Series 3 BMW, for example. Yet if you provoke it just a little bit, you'll soon come to find the limits of the front axle. Fortunately, the brakes are up to the job. No matter what, this latest generation of the C-Class is both an aesthetic and technological success and is among the best in its market segment.